Hi, I'm Paul Solga. Ivy Masters, IvyMasters.com, and today we're going to link the question from Digital SAT Test 2, Module 2. This is the hardest set of writing questions. And number 9 reads, which quotation from the young girl most effectively illustrates the claim? What's a claim? Whenever it's asked about the claim, you want to look at the last paragraph. In this case, it's the last half sentence paragraph. We're going to read the whole paragraph to get some context, but if timing's an issue for you, then you just want to read that last sentence, that last paragraph. Paragraph 3, The Young Girls in 1920, short story by Katherine Mansfield. In the story, the narrator takes an unnamed 17-year-old girl and her younger brother out for a meal. In describing the teenager, Mansfield frequently contrasts, shows difference. The character's pleasant appearance with her unpleasant attitude. As when Mansfield writes of the teenager. Okay. So she looks nice, but she's got a bad attitude. Let's go to the answer choice and see what best captures that. Answer is A. I heard a murmur. I can't bear flowers on the table. They had evidently given her intense pain, for she positively closed her eyes as I moved that way. So it sounds like maybe she's like fussy, but it doesn't say anything about her pleasant appearance. Sounds like she might have unpleasant attitude there, though. Can't bear flowers on the table. Like it's hurting her. Okay. Answer is B. While she waited, she took out a little gold powder box with a mirror in the lid. So it's like one of those things that girls kind of have. Shook the poor little puff as though she loathes it. She shakes it out. She's puffing her face. She's like. Sounds like she might have bad attitude. And dabbed her lovely nose. Well, it describes her nose as lovely. Loathed means hated basically. Maybe not quite as like kind of like hated with disgusted. Maybe not quite as hated. But loathed dabbing her lovely nose. And also poor little puff. So the language there does suggest pleasant appearance, lovely nose, pleasant attitude. Poor little puff. She hates it. Like it's such an effort to dab her nose. Answer is looking good. Let's see. I saw after that. She couldn't stand this place a moment longer. Can't stand being here. And indeed, she jumped up and turned away. While I went through the vulgar act of paying for the tea. So she's like, I can't be here any longer. And so this other person is left to pay. That definitely sounds like pleasant attitude. She's not considering others like hey, someone's got a bill. You're just leaving? Seriously? The problem is that one does not have any reference to her pleasant. So C is gone as well. Interest D. She didn't even take off her gloves. She lowered her eyes and drummed on the table. When a faint violin sounded, she winced and bit her lip again. Silence. So it sounds like she does have a pleasant attitude. So there's a violin sound sounding in the background. She could barely hear, and she winced to show like one of these, and like a facial expression of displeasure. And she bit her lip again. So it's like the violin is causing her so much pain. Sounds like an unpleasant attitude. But again, we don't see any reference to pleasant appearance. It's very subtle here. It's very lovely nose. Not a huge reference, but B is your best answer. Thank you for joining us today. If this video click like. You could share with someone who has difficulty with these claim questions for comprehension. Is there any questions you'd like to see from official ACT? Leave that in the comments that you have. If you want to click subscribe. Check out our 1 minute video. They're below these videos. Go to Ivy Masters Learning Center on YouTube. It's test 2 module 2B, the harder set of writing questions on that playlist. And number 9, shorter videos, just some of these longer videos. Have a great day.